What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you aren't new. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video. Before we even get into it, I'm just going to be showing y'all how I basically cut this wig into a bob. So this wig was sent to me by an Amazon company. It came super fast. It's a 12-inch wig, 150% density, 13x4 straight wig. It has the adjustable straps and a comb in it, and it was pre-plucked, and it came with medium brown lace. So yeah, those are all the details. I'm gonna go in more depth in my next video, so stay tuned for that. I will be showing y'all how I actually installed this wig. So I'm just gonna go in with my flat iron on 350 degrees. I'm gonna go in with this Krochets Silk and Sheen spray, and I'm gonna go through and straighten my hair out really good, like as bone straight as I can, just so that when I start cutting this wig, it'll make the process even easier. So yeah. All right, you guys, I just had to freaking pop in real quick because I have really shocked myself. Like, do y'all see this pluck job? Do y'all see this lace? And I haven't even got into the cutting part yet. Like, do y'all freaking, y'all, there is nothing more beautiful like than a freaking well plucked lace. But oh my gosh, like, she's silky, she's shiny. Krochets wax stick. So yeah, I just use my wax stick on top of the hair to be glued on the hairline just a little bit. Like, don't go overboard with it, but I sprayed it all across the hairline and hot combed it so I can get this like laid look. And I actually did go back over with my Krochets wax stick a little bit over the hairline or whatever, and all I did was hot comb her out. And y'all, like I said, this is before I even freaking cut this wig. So this is what the hair is looking like. She's super shiny. The only thing I don't like about it is it's very choppy, as in it has a lot of split ends. I don't really like that. And the ends on this wig are very, very, very thin. So that is why I decided to cut this wig into a bob. But anyways, yeah, just wanted to show y'all how it looks before I start cutting it. So as y'all can see, I was super excited with how I customized this wig. I feel like I did a really good job. So moving right along, y'all, I'm just going section by section, and I'm taking some like regular old hair store scissors. Nothing crazy about them. I mean, they're just like some regular hair stainless steel scissors, and I'm going section by section. I'm keeping my scissors straight, and I'm pulling my hair taut just to make sure that we get this like blunt cut that we want. And as y'all can see, my scissors are straight, and all the way across with me cutting, I'm keeping them straight. That's kind of the key to this. And you just want to go section by section and use your last section as a guide. Y'all, there's really no other way to explain this. It was super simple and easy. This was my second time actually cutting a wig, like getting a blunt cut, like cutting it into a bob. The first time I did this was on a synthetic wig, believe it or not. Go check that video out. It's doing really well. It's at over like 26,000 views. So yeah, I dyed a synthetic wig, and I also cut it into a blunt cut bob. Y'all, I used scissors in that video and clippers, and I feel like I did way better on this wig. And this is human hair, and I only used just a pair of scissors. So yeah, it's super easy to achieve this cut, y'all. The key is just taking your time, really taking your time, and less is always better when you starting off, because you can always go in and cut more hair off. But if you cut too much hair off, you can never go get that hair back. Once it's done, it's done. So I recommend starting slow. And yeah, like I said, this was a 12-inch wig. By the time I cut it, I mean, I don't know, it still looked like it was 12 inches to me. So I don't know, it didn't look like no 10-inch or 8-inch bob. So it was still pretty long. I didn't cut that much hair off. But yeah, another thing I want to mention is, as y'all can see, I'm holding not holding, but I moved my wig head to the point where the hair is on an angle. You guys want to make sure you do this, because when you're cutting a wig or any hair one way, sometimes it doesn't get all the hair, if that makes sense. When you move your head to the side, or you move your head and it's on an angle, whatever, you want your hair to still be like a blunt cut. You don't want to see, you know, extra hairs that you didn't get and all that good stuff. So yeah, just make sure you tilting your wig like on an angle and everything, so just so you can get the hair that you may have missed, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I have my my mannequin head on an angle, and I'm just making sure that everything is blunt all the way across. Like, so any angle I hold it, or whether the head is like up straight, whether you tilt your head to the side, you want it to all be blunt. And y'all, that's basically all that I did. This video was sped up, of course. I did take my time with this. Like I said, that's the key. Just take your time, and less is always more. You can always go back in and cut. But yeah, I think I did super duper good, y'all, for this to be my second time cutting some hair. And I am not a licensed cosmetologist, so I definitely feel like I did my thing with this one. I'm going back in to flat iron the hair, and y'all, that is basically it. This is how it came out. Super easy, super simple. If y'all enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell for post notifications. And yeah, comment down below what y'all thought, how y'all felt about the wig, and any video suggestions. And I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching.
Was you love pick up the phone when you home? All I ever asked was you show me some love, kisses, and hugs. I never had to let you go to the club with your boys.